Kyle Jarvenpa. I'm the Northeast Regional for Space Age Electronics. One of the topics that I've been going out and speaking on within the industry is NFPA 241. That's the standard for safeguarding construction sites from fire risk. So new construction, demolition, alteration projects, it encompasses all of those. I think one of the most important things about the standard is that it gives building owners, contractors, fire alarm vendors, everybody who is in a project a standard to follow for best practices on not just fire safety, but overall safety on a construction site. But there is a chapter specific to fire safety.
It is truly a collaborative effort. It takes everybody involved in the project in order to carry out a successful impairment plan. You have the code consultants and the engineers who are going to work with the building owners or the owner's representatives like the general contractor or construction manager. So they're going to go through all the details of the project in order to figure out, what are all the specifics, how do you create a fire safety plan for this project based on this project specific attributes. The GCs and construction teams are then going to appoint an FPPM, as we spoke about earlier, a fire prevention program manager. And that person's going to be responsible for getting the rest of the parties involved on site to carry out that plan throughout the duration of the project. That can be the subcontractors, so you may have the electrical contractors or the fire alarm vendors, those of you in the room who are responsible for providing temporary systems or whatever it may need to be on the project that is going to adhere to that authored impairment plan. It could be based on fire sprinkler protection, it could be temporary detection and alarm. And then of course there's code enforcement, the AHJs, those who are reviewing the plan and making sure that things are being carried out as they're supposed to throughout the duration of the project.
It allows there to be an impairment plan, and it gives guidelines to what that impairment plan should be on a construction site and how to go about following what's in the impairment plan. And I think it's often overlooked because it's just a lesser known document, but that's why we're out educating the industry on its existence, talking to AHJs and code officials on the ability to collaborate with the construction teams on the plan and the ability to then enforce the plan to create a greater overall safer environment during construction.